Welcome to Best Choice. The best French Bulldog Pajamas is probably one of the most adorable and practical investments you can make for your beloved flat-faced companion, offering unparalleled comfort, warmth, and protection against allergens or skin irritations, all while transforming your furry friend into an irresistible snuggle buddy ready for a cozy night's sleep or a lazy Sunday morning cuddle session, making every moment with them even more heartwarming and picture-perfect. Number 5. LovinPet Large Dog PJS Hippos Zoo. Introducing our unique pajamas designed specifically for your big dog's comfort. They offer a slim fit and full coverage, ensuring zero stress on their skin. These XL-size pajamas are tailored for large and fat breeds, including pit bulls. They are lightweight and allow them to move freely, making them ideal for any nap. These pajamas serve as a comfortable alternative to recovery suits or cones. They allow your furry friend to eat and move without annoyance, helping them feel at home during recovery. Your pet can sleep soundly throughout spring, summer, autumn, and cold winter nights. Wearing them not only keeps them cozy but also makes them look adorable. Designed for both indoor and outdoor activities, these pajamas feature a professional design for easy potty breaks. They ensure your pet stays healthy and clean. Experience the soft, stretchy fabric that keeps your big dog warmer and more comfortable, especially in cooler homes. Many buyers love how cozy their pets are in them. What we like? This one is specifically designed for larger breeds, ensuring a perfect, stress-free fit. If you have a big dog recovering from surgery, its full coverage acts as a comfortable alternative to cones. Its professional design for potty breaks makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. What people say. Number 4. Kuoser Pet Recovery Suit. Introducing the Kuoser Pet Recovery Suit, designed for your furry friend's comfort after surgery. It provides professional care for abdominal wounds, ensuring a smooth recovery process. Say goodbye to uncomfortable cones. This innovative suit acts as a superior alternative, preventing them from licking wounds while allowing greater freedom of movement. Crafted from high-quality, soft, and breathable fabric, it offers an elastic and durable design. Your pet will experience maximum comfort throughout their recovery journey. More than just post-surgery wear, it's perfect for sterilization, weaning, or managing skin issues like hot spots and allergies. It even helps control shedding. Designed for convenience, it's easy to put on and take off, with a simple bathroom break solution. Available in sizes XS to XXL, including options for cats, ensuring a perfect fit for every pet. Keeping it clean is simple. This suit is made from machine-washable materials, making maintenance effortless for busy pet parents. What we like? This product is an excellent alternative to the traditional cone of shame, promoting faster healing and enhanced mobility. It's perfect for post-surgery recovery, sterilization, or managing skin issues. If you are looking for a comfortable and effective way to protect your pet's wounds, this is a top choice. What people say. Number 3. Pet Lover Pajama Pants. Experience unparalleled comfort with our new pajama pants. They are designed for ultimate relaxation, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Crafted from a premium new cotton blend, these pants offer a luxuriously soft feel against your skin. You'll love their gentle touch and breathable fabric. Designed for year-round enjoyment, these versatile lounge pants are perfect for any season. Their breathable fabric keeps you comfortable, whether it's warm or cool. Enjoy a relaxed, comfort fit that's ideal for both women and men. They provide ample room for movement, making them perfect for lounging around the house. Express your passion for pets with our unique designs. They come in 27 different breed options, allowing you to proudly display your favorite furry friend. Discover your new go-to loungewear. They combine style, comfort, and your love for pets, making them an essential addition to your wardrobe. What we like? These comfortable lounge pants are perfect for pet parents who want to show off their love for their furry friends. With a soft cotton blend, they offer all-season comfort for relaxing at home. If you like subtle ways to express your passion for pets, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. Number 2. LovinPet Jurassic Knit Dog Pajamas. Does your furry friend get anxious during storms or when alone? This garment applies gentle pressure, providing a sense of security. Its soft touch helps them feel warm, safe, and calm. Offering full body and long sleeve coverage, it's perfect for post-surgery recovery. Beyond healing, it's also great for special occasions like parties or birthdays, keeping them stylish and protected. This versatile suit aids in healing abdominal wounds, preventing infections from scratching or licking. It's also ideal for managing allergies, skin diseases, or scratches, ensuring their comfort all year long. Featuring a fun Jurassic blue print and a charming crew neck, it stands out. The petal collar and micro-puff sleeves add a touch of elegance, making them the most eye-catching dog in any setting. Owners rave about how much their dogs love wearing it. The stretchy material ensures a true-to-size fit, allowing plenty of room for running and playing. It even keeps them warm when temperatures drop. What we like. This option provides gentle pressure to help reduce anxiety during thunderstorms or separation, keeping your dog calm and secure. Its full body coverage and innovative design offer protection for recovery or just stylish wear. If you are looking for a product that combines comfort, protection, and a unique look, this one is ideal. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no points can be extracted as per instructions. Number 1. NDISTIN 3D Printed Women's Pajamas Set. Discover ultimate comfort with this stylish sleepwear. It's designed for women who appreciate both fashion and relaxation. Featuring a unique 3D printed pattern, this set adds a touch of modern elegance to your nightwear collection. Its short-sleeve t-shirt and shorts combination offers a chic look. Crafted for warm weather, this lightweight jumpsuit sleepwear ensures you stay cool and comfortable. You can wear it as pajamas or for lounging around the house. Experience the gentle touch of its soft fabric against your skin. This suit provides a breathable and pleasant feel, perfect for a restful night's sleep. Whether you're unwinding after a long day or enjoying a lazy weekend, this set is your ideal companion. It offers unparalleled comfort for all your home activities. Slip into this easy-to-wear sleepwear for instant relaxation. Its thoughtful design ensures maximum comfort without compromising on style. What we like. This stylish set offers a fun and unique look with its eye-catching 3D printed design. Crafted for warm weather, it provides comfort and breathability during summer nights. If you're looking for a trendy and light sleepwear option, this one is a great pick. What people say. No suitable reviews found in the provided source. The source JSON was empty, so no points could be extracted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.